A lot of you guys have contacted me and said, Gerald, I have successfully created a Payoneer account, but Payoneer is not giving me my foreign US and UK bank account. How do I fix this? And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. So it's important that you stay with me from beginning to end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. But beyond actually showing you how to fix this, I'm also going to be showing you an alternative to Payoneer that is going to give you UK and US bank accounts in any country in the world, especially if you are in Nigeria, right? So like I said, it's important that you stay with me from beginning to end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. That's one. Now, if you see me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work, and I come right here and show you guys exactly what I have done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. Now, it's important that you smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you are about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And if you currently have this problem, let me know in the comment section, right? And if you're able to fix it after watching this video, also let me know in the comment section, and I will just go ahead and say, thank you, Gerald, you just fixed my issue. Now that's it, guys. Let's go to my laptop screen. If you come here right now, you're going to be seeing the fact that this is my Payoneer account, right? And these are my balances on this account. If you come to continue working, if you come here to bank and cards, right, and come to receiving account, you're going to be seeing my Payoneer receiving account information, right? So this is my UK bank account detail. If you click here, you're going to be seeing the details. If you click, this is my Japanese yen account, and this one, you're going to be, this is my US bank account information, right? And this is exactly what you want to achieve with Payoneer. Now, here's the problem. Payoneer recently noticed that a lot of persons are creating bank accounts on Payoneer that they never use. So Payoneer wants to make sure that everybody that is actually creating a bank account on Payoneer is actually going to be using that account. And that is why they changed a few things, right? Now, let me show you how to fix that. Now, what you need to do first, if you don't have a Payoneer account, let me say it again. If you don't have a Payoneer account, click on the first link in the video description and set up a Payoneer account. That link is going to be giving you a $50 bonus, right? Once you sign up. But if you already have an account on Payoneer, please just go to payoneer.com and log into your account, right? Creating two accounts on Payoneer is going to get you banned on Payoneer. Please, please, please do not do it. So if you click on that link, it's going to bring you right here, yeah? If you already have an account, click on sign in to actually sign into your Payoneer account. But if you don't have an account, click on register, right? Or here, whichever place you click, going to take you to the exact same place. Now we're saying, let's find the right account for your needs. Freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual. So I'm going to say freelancer. Get paid by marketplaces or international clients and all of that. Yes, that's what I want to achieve. Then click on register right here and actually set up an account. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So leave this on individual. Now put in your first name here, your last name, your email address here. Enter your email address, your date of birth, and click on this I'm not a robot. And of course, by clicking, of course, you fill out these places. This is going to be activated. Click on next and next and next and complete this scenario, right? This is the easy part. I've actually made videos on how to set up a Payoneer account. This video showing up right here is going to show you guys exactly how to do that, how to complete this whole process if you don't know how. So, and after you've set up your account, you now see Payoneer is now telling you that you need to earn $50 before you get that bank account that you so need right now. So what do you do in this scenario? I'm going to be telling you exactly what you do. But if you've not done that yet, go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done that yet, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button, right? And finally, if you have any questions or getting value from this video, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to hear your thoughts. Now, I've explained that Payoneer is frowning that people actually set up accounts and they don't use it. So that is why they said that you must earn $50 at least into your Payoneer account to be able to get this account. So there are two ways to actually fix this, right? Number one is to get somebody who has money inside their Payoneer account to actually send Payoneer payments to you. And this is simple to do. All the person needs to do is to log into their Payoneer account, come here to pay, right? And they will impute your Payoneer email address and send this money from their own Payoneer to yours. That is an easy way to actually, you can now pay the person the money, you know, in your local currency or whatever, right? So that is one way to do that. Now, the second way, which I actually think is the best way to do this, is to set up an account on Fiverr.com. If you don't know how, this video showing up right here is going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, after you've done that, the second thing you need to do is to link your Payoneer account to your Fiverr account. This is also very simple to do, right? I think I made a video about this on YouTube. I'm not sure, but it's actually very simple to do. So all you need to do is to set up an account on Fiverr.com, right? Now, after you've done that, set up gigs on Fiverr.com. I actually made a video showing you exactly how to do all of that, right? So set up a gig, an easy gig that you can sell on Fiverr.com. Now, link your Fiverr account to your Payoneer account. After you've done the linking, now the next thing is to get a friend of yours, that lives in a different country, different IP, different whatever, to actually buy a gig worth $50 from you on Fiverr. After you've gotten paid on Fiverr, now send that money from Fiverr to your Payoneer account, and you have gotten your $50 inside your Payoneer account, and then you can request for your Payoneer bank account. I promised you in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a Payoneer alternative that will not present you the hurdles that Payoneer is currently presenting to you. Now, what this means is that once you set up an account on this platform, you do not have to earn $50 first before you can get your US bank account. As a matter of fact, you set up an account instantly and you get your US bank account almost immediately. So I've made a video about this particular platform, right? And that's the video showing up right here, right now, right? It is called Gray.co. Gray works the same way Payoneer works. Once you set up an account, you're going to be getting a bank account in US dollars, in Great British pounds, and I think one of that country, I'm not sure again, until I log into my Gray account, and it's very simple. Go to YouTube, on the search bar, just type Gray.co review, and you're going to be seeing this video, pop up on the search. Or you can just click on the link in the video description, actually watch that video, set up an account on Gray, get your US bank account, copy your account information, and use it I use it on Amazon, KDP, on Amazon FBA, or whatever I thought I want to use it online. It works perfectly well, right? If you are excited about this, let me know in the comment section, right? And go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, not only that, and most importantly, turn on the notification button so that when I drop more subsequent videos on subjects just like this one, that's going to help you achieve your aim of actually making money online, YouTube is going to notify you instantly, guys. This video showing up right here is going to show you exactly how to withdraw from Fiverr to Payoneer. Why this video showing now right here will show you exactly how to set up an account on Fiverr.com, guys. This is exactly how to create a Payoneer account in 2023 and also get your bank information almost immediately. So guys, until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.